Hello, children. Oh, this is so embarrassing. You caught me playing with my lightsaber. Yes, you did not know Dmitri Hogginoff was a Jedi, did you? Yes, he is. Allow me to show you. Not as clumsy as a blaster. A more elegant weapon for the civilized age. Good for that quote. You will give extra credit from Mr. Mark. I will see to it. Anyway. Good morning, good afternoon. It's good to see you again. You have many questions, I presume. For one, Dmitri Hogginoff, why did you shave your beard? But I tell you, beard felt like cat on face. I did not like it. I took it off because I do not like cats. Which leads me back to my next point. I understand that your classroom has obtained a bearded dragon named J. J. What? What kind of foolish name is this for a dragon? JJ what? JJ what? And you I understand you voted for it, and I commend you for getting a dragon. Dragons are very good creatures. Be careful that it does not breathe fire on you. It will be painful, I know. I have fought dragons before with my lightsaber. Now, I bring up this point about the dragon because I have to tell you what my favorite animal is. This is my class pet. His name is Patches. Patches the rat. He does not breathe fire like your dragon does. Nor does he eat crickets, instead he eats cheese. He's a very good boy, isn't that right, Patches? He makes a joke. He says, what kind of music is sung in the universe? What's that, Patches? He tells me answer to the joke, it's very funny. He says, the kind of music sung in the universe is Neptunes. Patches kills me. Anyway, go to sleep now, Patches. We'll talk later. Alright, let's begin, shall we? Now, new unit in the science plan is called Heredity. Let us talk of the story. Whenever your mother and father... Be quiet, Cooper! My apologies, my lab assistant's dog is here and he likes to bark at nothing. He's scared the dog! Anyway, where was I? Let us talk of the story. When a man and a woman have a baby, friends and family come together to say, what will baby look like? Will baby have the eye color of the mother? Or will baby have the eye color of the father? Will baby have same skin as mother or the father? Will baby have same hair type, like straight, like Dr. Hogginoff? Will baby have same hair type as mother with maybe wavy hair? Each of these things are physical characteristics of each the mother and the father. And these characteristics are called traits. So now in your guided notes that Mr. Mark gave you, I want you to write down. Traits are physical characteristics. Good. Now, heredity is the process of the passing down of these physical characteristics, these traits, from one generation to the next. Now, the way this information is passed down is through something called DNA. Now, DNA is the genetic material present in the nucleus of a cell that carries information about an organism and is passed down from parent to offspring. Crazy how we learned in last unit how genetic information is present in cell, and now we learn what that genetic information is called. It is called DNA. It's fantastic. Science is just great, is it not? Yes, it is. You don't even have to tell me because I know you're all saying, I love science so much. Great, yes. Glad you love science as much as I do. Very important information about DNA. It is in the shape of something called a double helix. You probably do not know what that is. It is okay. It looks like a ladder that is being twisted all around. Now, there is another vocabulary word I want you to know. It is called the gene. Now the gene is not something that you put on your legs. It's not pants. made of blue material. We don't wear those filthy things in Russia. Genes, terrible inventions by Americans. We wear something else. But anyway, we're getting off topic. Now, a gene is a specific portion of DNA that holds information about a specific trait. So, for example, there is a gene in your DNA that determines whether or not you will have blue eyes or brown eyes. There's a gene in your DNA that determines your hair type. It also determines silly things such as whether or not you will be able to roll your tongue. Oh, Hogginoff has a message. It's okay, I'll check later. Now for the final vocabulary word for the hereditary lesson today. Something called chromosomes. Chromosomes are packages of DNA stored in the nucleus that contain many different genes. Now, a human being has 23 pairs of chromosomes. 23 from the mother, 23 from the father. Let's recap on lesson before we move on to activity, yes? Okay. Now, the process of passing down characteristics from parent to offspring is called what, class? I'm waiting for an answer. Good. Thank you very much. It is heredity. Heredity is the process of passing down physical characteristics or traits from parent to offspring. Class. Genetic material in cell that carries information about an organism and is passed down from parent to offspring. What is this called? Yes, thank you. It is called DNA. DNA is genetic material in the nucleus that is passed down. Good. Now, tell me what this is. Packages of DNA in the nucleus. Us humans contain 23 pairs of these. What are these called? Good. Thank you. A specific portion of this DNA that carries specific information about a specific trait, such as eye color or hairstyle. What is this called? Maybe it is like something in Russia we do not wear. Yes, it is the genes. Genes are the specific portion of the DNA about specific traits. Good. Very good. Now we can begin activity. Now on the rest of your guided notes, Mr. Marcus handed you will see a table. Table containing such silly things such as eye color. Hogginoff has blue eyes. See? Blue eyes. Such it has information such as hairstyle, such as straight or curly. Hogginoff has straight hair. Yes, good straight hair. It has information such as whether or not you can roll your tongue like this. It's crazy. Not everybody can do that. Some people can and some people can't. And that is a trait determined by the genes in your body. Another one is the earlobe on your body. See how Hogginoff's is connected? It is not hanging like some of you. Some of you have hanging earlobes and there is space between this part of your ear and your earlobe. It's weird. Hogginoff's way is better. You are weird. Anyway. There is another one concerning your skin color. Also concerning if you were to clasp your hands like this. Do it without thinking. Do it now. Now look down. You see, my right thumb is over my left thumb. I did not think about doing that. I just did it naturally. About 55% of the world's population actually puts the left thumb over the right thumb. The other 45% puts the right thumb over the left thumb. It's crazy, I know, but this information is stored in genes. Okay, children, I must be going. I must feed my rat Patches the cheese. You have a good day. Remember, my name is Dr. Dmitri Hogginoff. I am scientist inventor, PhD, Mr. Famous. #. Farewell now, children. Yes.